What's up, YouTube? I got a little monster truck to show you guys. This is a 1/64th scale monster truck and trailer combo from Metal. I'm assuming that is the brand name. So yeah, it's a 1/64th scale monster truck. It is toy grade because this thing's about 12 bucks and I don't even think it comes with a transmitter. It says here, app control, 2.4 gigahertz. Cross country, so it can do off-road, I'm assuming. Shock absorbers, 2 motors, so I'm assuming one's to drive the truck and one's to steer it. 3 gears, 1:88 gearbox ratio, and some lighting. So that is really interesting. This thing does come in the full array of colors, as you can see. We have orange, pink, green, blue, gray, and my favorite, which is the one I got, it's like a blue-orange golf type of color. I really like that on that new Traction Hobby Porsche. So I was like, man, I like that color. Let me get something that has that. And yeah, I got this $12 Temu monster truck. So yeah, pretty cool little truck, I think. This is definitely a toy. I do have this Jiabaile Monster Truck, and it's pretty interesting. Highly detailed body, headlights, taillights, rubber tires, metal wheels, metal frame, tiny drive shafts, tiny little motor, probably the size of a Tic Tac. No, it's a little bit larger, but that motor is small. It's definitely one of the smallest motors I have in my lineup. Originally, this is supposed to be a video about this truck versus this truck, so a $56 truck versus a $12 to $20 truck. Prices vary on this one. But unfortunately, my 4S Creighton had other plans and crushed this little guy, ripping out the axles. So lately I've been obsessed with micro RCs. Oh! So yeah, the axles got ripped out and I don't think it drives very well right now. So this video won't be that comparison. If you are interested in this truck, I will link a video that I made about it down below, and also a link to where you can buy it. This is a really nice mini micro RC. But back to our little Temu special here. Let's get it unboxed and check it out and see if it's any good. So I know nothing about this monster truck. All I know is it's really cheap and it piqued my interest. So it does have a transmitter kind of in the form of a remote. There it is. It looks like it comes with a battery because there's a pull tab. We obviously have forward, backwards, percentage, that's probably for power, left and right. And this can probably make it turn around. Not too bad. Hopefully it works really well. We also have a USB cable and some instructions. Next up, we have our little trailer. Cute little trailer. Has that baby blue and orange. It says family truck. Good luck. Yeah, maybe we'll need it. I don't know. But yeah, definitely a toy. You can load things up into it. That is pretty cool. Then we have our monster truck. Yeah. Excited for this. Whoa, look at that guy. Not bad. Oh, I was hoping these lights would be real, but they're not. They're just painted on. It does have rubber tires, but they're rock hard. Plastic wheels. We got a little hitch for the trailer. It looks like it has taillights and headlights, so just like the Jiabaile. Here's a size comparison. Definitely a lot smaller, so I guess this is my new smallest monster truck. But it is not as detailed as this one. That's for sure. Checking out, we do have a little suspension. Not the best suspension, but it has one, so that is good. Here is the front suspension. The body is metal, so that is nice. Metal body. So basically this is like a little Hot Wheels monster truck that you can drive. So that's cool. I'm down with that. So let's get it charged up with the USB charging cable. And we'll see if it can do any crawling like the Jiabaile one. And yeah, we'll see how it drives overall. All right, so I think I gave this guy enough charge time. I gave it about 35-40 minutes. It says when this thing's charging, the light's gonna start dimming, which it wasn't, but I think that's enough time. So Let's pull the trigger on the remote. All right, it is now live. All right, it's on. Has nice headlights, tail lights, and it also has green lights underneath. That's pretty cool. All right, next let's check the speed on it. So this is speed 1. Pretty quick. Then we're gonna do speed 2. Nice and fast. Suspension's a little wonky. Then we're gonna do speed 3, which is the highest speed. Nice. Looks like it can do a wheelie. Yep, does a little wheelie, almost. If you have a grippier surface, it'll definitely do a wheelie. All right, so it does have some oomph to it. Whoa, 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 okay. All right, let's see if I can go forward and turn. Forward, turn. All right, cool, that works. All right. So the little remote is not too bad. Steering is all or nothing. So that's that. But it is controllable somewhat. You just kind of have to think about what you're doing. I would have preferred a transmitter, like an actual one. But there is also a demo mode, so let's try that out. Maybe we'll hook up the trailer and put it in demo mode and see how that works. Hopefully I have enough space here. So this is the demo mode button. And it does nothing. Oh, wait, wait. All right, so it's trying to drive off. All right, I was not expecting that. All right, no demo mode. We're just gonna drive it with the trailer. All right, it's still trying to do demo mode. All right. All right, so I read the instructions, and to cancel the cruise control / demo mode, you just short press this, and it should have canceled it. Yep. All right, so we're back. We're not gonna try that again because we definitely don't have space for that. So yeah, let's attach the trailer and see how it drives with that. All right, so that's interesting. Oh, we already jackknifed it. So yeah, there you go. You can drive it with the trailer. It's obviously really hard because the steering's not that great. And you keep jackknife it. But if you have enough space on your floor, it should not be a problem. But yeah, you can do it. You can pull the trailer around if you have the space. But let's see if this thing can climb like the Jiabaile. All right, very easy climb. We have 45 degrees and 38. Let's see if it can do 38. All right, I gotta hold it. Nope. So yeah, even the throttle is all or nothing. Oh, all right. So I crawled it up there. Not gracefully, but it did it. Well, let me hold the ramp for the 45 degree. Nope. Nope. All right, so it's not a crawler like the other truck, but that's okay. This is a toy for little children. Let's see what else it can do. All right, this is gonna be a little bit harder. We'll see if it can do this. I'm gonna hold it in place. Nope. If it had better throttle control, it can do it, but yeah, no grip in the tires, and you kind of have to just send it. You cannot do it. I don't blame it. You know, this is not like the Jiabaile. This is a lot more toy grade. Yeah. All right, so can't do this obstacle. Can't do the other one. Can it do this? All right, it can crawl over that, but again, you have to send it. Now, can it do this? This is the ultimate test. Maybe if we lower down the speed. All right, I lowered down the speed just a little bit, so I don't have to fully send it. steering trim is a little bit off. Let's see if I can get the wheels a little straighter. So I can go up straighter. The wheels are semi-straight. All right, it did that, so that's nice. Overall, this is a fun little toy truck. Definitely nice for children to start off with. But if you want a more serious desktop rig, I definitely go with this one. It's more expensive, but just the controls and whatnot are much better than this. This is a nice little thing, you know, you put on the floor for your kid and he pulls around the trailer with it. So you get a nice little combo. But this is the way to go if you want some crawling indoors and outdoors, because I did try this thing outdoors and it did awesome. This probably wouldn't go anywhere outdoors, that's for sure. And if it did, it'll probably get stuck a lot. But yeah, you get what you pay for. If you're on a budget, try this one out. If you want to try out a really nice detailed RC monster truck, try this one out.